All right, today I'm gonna show you my my aircraft mechanics travel box. I work Boeing aircraft. This is the Pelican 1535. Trick with this is keeping it under 50 pounds. First off, got a pad. So I found out if you put Kaizen foam in there, you end up losing a lot of weight that you shouldn't. In this pencil bag, I keep my screwdrivers. Okay. I have the Craftsman German-made ratchet, a number 1, a flathead, a universal small one, a very small Phillips, number 2 shorty, some long apex bits, a number 3, a number 2, a pocket knife. Oh, that's another apex bit. And I also use these little videos as an accountability. Because if you do this for a living, you know that TSA loves to go through your toolbox. A scale, a pair of roach clips. This is neat. This is a Mac. I want to say it's a Nip-X. It's a stripper, a crimper, a pair of needle nose, and a cutter. Side cutters, Klein needle nose. I'm just going to take them out. I mean, we should know what they are. Pair of van pliers. Okay, that's the first bag. Okay. Second, this is a toiletry case, obviously, from years and years ago. My cheapo multimeter, which right there it says please turn off meter. That's for TSA. And then most of this is just scrounge. Aircraft plugs, some Molly lube, some O-rings. They're all labeled. They're just the parts bags. This one's it's got zip ties, wire brushes, things like that. And that just gives me a central place to keep them, so I know what to look for. So I just grab this when I'm looking for certain things. Okay. Every hole possibly have to put things in, I do. That's some yellow bird crap and my safety wire. This one is sockets. In this one, because we know aircraft mechanics, it's all 12 point. 12 point universal sockets. Okay, so there's 2, 4, 6 in there. I think it's 3/8 to, what's that, 5/8? 11/16. I'm not about putting those back. I'm just ripping it apart for you. These are all my sockets. These are deeps and shallows. Oh no, I was wrong. The other one's the deeps. These are shallow set. SK, except for there's 2 Craftsman, 9/16 and 7/16. That's 13/16. That one's 7/8, and I believe it goes down to 5/16. Okay, and then I carry 3 Jackson Allen sets because these are the most used ones. Whatever size. This was a Napa. I believe that's a 5/16, 3/8, 5/16, and 1/4 inch. My deeps are mostly not Williams. What the hell are they? Got these from Harry J. Epstein. They're Bonnie's. They go up 7/8. I believe my shortest one here is, and I keep them like that to save space. 5/16. It's this one. That's a snap-on, and that is 5/16. You gotta poke them out with a screwdriver, and that's an SK. That should be a 7/16, I believe. Nope, that's a 1/2 inch. That's how I keep them to save space. And then there's two that should have been in there. There's a small one. There it is. There's a snap-on. 3/8. Sorry. Well, I'm glad I went through that. That should be in that tobacco bag. Then this should be extensions. Small ratchet handles. 1/4 inch SK. 3/8. That's a Napa special. This is 11/16, 1/2 inch drive. 11/16, 1/2 inch drive. There's a 5/8, and those two are not in the box right now, but those are, I keep those for brake changes. A Blackhawk Apex bit adapter, an SK Universal, and a Husky freaking adapter. This is an old Klein. That's an old Craftsman. There's another adapter that's for tire changes. Okay. It's good to go through things every once in a while too and make sure you got everything. This is a mixed set of wrenches, but it's pretty much complete. It goes up to 5/16. Okay. This is my 7/8. It's a Proto. 3/8. And this set goes all the way down to 1/4 inch. Seconds. 5/16. That's a right. Yep, that's a right. 1/4 inch SK. 7/16 SK. 5/8 SK. And then we get into my 15x45s, which I carry from 3/8 all the way up to, I think this is 11/16. No, 3/4. I found those, except for maybe I could put in the 15/16. That would be one that I should carry. 5/16 1/4 inch open end. This is an SK. And, oh no, this is a Blue Point, and that's quite handy. I can't get rid of that. This doesn't live there. We'll show you where that lives in a minute. I got cheapo Husky adjustable that I've cut down, ground down to fit my hand, and the other, it used to be this long, and a lot of spots it wouldn't fit in, and it didn't fit in the box nice. Channel locks, diamond wrench, Craftsman vices. That's that. Hand prisons, in the hand prison, because usually this will be in my line badge, but I keep it in there to to keep it. My flashlight and my adjustable mirror. Thing with mirrors is I like the square ones because it's easier to cut square glass, or you can go to the dollar store and get a woman's compact or a hand mirror for $1 and cut those square in the field if you need to. That one's still glass. Surprisingly, I haven't broke it. This kit. This was with my Harbor Freight Tri-Cal. And I got all my 1/4 inches in here. These are all Williams 12-point 1/4 inch drive. Craftsman, except for this one's a snap-on. These are 1/4 inch drive 12 points. A blue point adapter. No name swivel. Blue point, another blue point adapter. That's 1/4 inch to 3/8. And then these are cut down apex bits. My 3 extensions, Craftsman, Snap-on, SK. Okay, and that kit, that lives like that. Standard. Screw grab, aka valve grinding compound. Just a cheap set of punches. I don't really want to pull them out. There's about 6 in there. Even if TSA stole them, I wouldn't care about those. Those are garbage. This is my Mac 1 1/8 socket, which, yet again, we keep stuff in there. Got a little Loctite in there. That is for a specific job that will ground my aircraft, so I always keep that in there. Mechanical fingers. Tape measure. Another Harry J. Epstein. This is a decent Bonnie 3/8. Alright. Craftsman 1/4 inch. Those long ones definitely have a couple long ones for manual starts. A Blackhawk 1/2 inch. A Craftsman, old school Craftsman 3/8 drive. I think you've seen this kit before. Okay, so I got Allen sets. I got what we call Nazi bits here. A number 3, a number 2, and a number 1. An adapter, and then in here I keep a cut down number 2. Okay, usually I'm better off with labeling these, but I haven't. Easy outs, drills, taps, a valve tool, tire wear gauge, and basic, number 30, a couple, pin tools, apex bits, and that's about it. So I just wanted to show you that. As you know, we got to keep it under 50 pounds. And I'm just shy of 50 pounds. And that's what we got. Let me see your road boxes, guys. Have a good one.